Foldable mesh laundry hampers. I have 10 of these. They're so useful. They're dollar store items. They come in pretty colors, as you can see, and they're storable anywhere. You can line them up in your closet, fit a ton of them, at least 4 or 5 without taking much room. Hang them on the closet rod. As you can see, they easily fold. They come in pretty colors, all sort of happy colors, and some designs, brand designs, and you can use them for laundry or just to store stuff in them, like your clean socks, better than folding them. They're very useful. The con of them is that these little handles easily break, so instead you can use a tie, pass a tie through it. They're still useful. They don't have much balance. You can't keep them on the floor straight up, but you can hang them anywhere. I hang them on my chair, put my dirty laundry. My room isn't that clean like most people's rooms, and they're easy to carry to your washing machine. They're good for guests, good for little kids' toys, put toys or whatever. Just have them around when you will have use for them for unexpected occasions, like unexpected guests, and they're washable. So if you ever get them dirty or you want them clean for new guests, you can easily wash them. They're polyester or something material, and they're quite durable. So yeah, you wanna get plenty of these. You'll find many uses for them.